Okay, everybody, it's Dodge Ram time. Once again, here at Denney Motor Sales in Wabash, Indiana. All right, guys, pay attention to this one. This is a 2002 Ram 1500 quad cab. It is two-wheel drive. 4.7 liter V8 engine, local trade-in, non-smoker. And this is the cleanest 18-year-old vehicle that you're gonna see today. Hands down. Cloth interior, power driver seat, power windows, power door locks. Got the windows tinted. Bed cover. Does have a bed liner in the back. Trailer tow package. Has a bed mat as well. Bedsides are clean. Rockers are clean. Doors are clean on both sides. Cab corners are good. Very clean old truck. You can check it out at Denney Motor Sales in Wabash, Indiana. 260-563-1175. Call or text. Check our page out on Facebook at Denney Motor Sales and the website DenneyMotorsales.com, where there are several photos and very detailed information about this Ram. And I absolutely know that you have a friend or family member who would like to see this truck, so help me out. Like and share this video.